What's in the bag?
For real?
What's in the
inside my
bag? So, sinong guys unahin natin? Gusto ko si Marian unahin natin. Okay.
Mas may-
Maunahin natin si Bibag. What's in the bag?
Okay. What's in my bag?
May lesson.
I have...
Sorry,
It's like
not
Gatorade.
sponsored.
Yes, not sponsored. I have chips. And another one for drinking.
Drinks. You have so many drinks. You have ano? Jabka.
Shove ka
I
inside.
have Rossman. You have Jabka.
I have another one. Chips. It's already open. Oh, we can eat it right away.
It's all foods. And she... What's in the...
I need to teach, so you know, I prepared materials to answer. And of course, my phone, my wallet, power bank. I don't want to take it out. I have another inside pouch.
What's inside the pouch?
I have cream, lipstick.
Like, you have to do it faster because my battery is going to die. Because I'm excited with Marian's bag.
Bag. And wet tissue.
Oh, from yesterday. What can you say about...
Look at that. What's that?
And why do you have a placemat?
And I have a placemat.
Why do you have a placemat?
Put the snacks. Put the snacks on.
Sa sobrang OCD po niya, nagdala po siya ng placemat. That's all?
That's it.
And in the pocket,
Oh my gosh. My masks. Cream for itchy. And
Galis.
paper.
galis. Is it empty already?
Yes. Resibo.
Okay, next.
It's empty.
Next is, I don't have a bag, so I'm safe. Next is Marian's bag.
What do you want to know?
What's inside your bag?
What did you bring?
So what did you bring for the picnic
Why are you
today?
interested to know what's in my bag?
Well, it's kind
So
of like,
first,
you know,
this is Coach.
this is branded.
I really like it. It's leather. It's black and it's classic. I like the gold and the black combination. So now I'm opening my bag to show you. First I have a cap because it's hot and we went kayaking. So I came prepared. And then I have water because it's hot again. And we might get thirsty.
We need to drink.
And then,
Of course, right now we have pandemia. So I have my first sanitizer here. It's aloe vera, so it doesn't smell bad.
bad.
It's quite good actually. I have two versions. The spray one, sunblock, or tissue. Because you know,
Finally, are you
Life.
sure it's like final what's inside the bag?
I also have off because during the summer here in Poland, sometimes
Yeah, I need it.
It's malamok. So you have to spray
malamok.
gum. Because why not?
Because why not?
House keys.
Oh, mga.
Gift card from
Okay.
Intimissimi. This is a gift from my friends.
Happy birthday, belated.
Thank you. To have hand cream from Neutrogena
Wow.
to keep our
Not
hands
sponsored.
Not sponsored again.
hydrated. In addition to that, I also have
That's a lot inside the bag. It's like Doraemon's bag.
power bank
Everything is inside.
with my phone because pens, comb, mask,
And
icos.
she didn't bring the...
I have my wallet here, so it's small. Coach also. Alarm system key. This is a lipstick and some more pens. I think the most interesting thing in my bag that you could find are eggs. I have salted eggs. This is actually a gift from Bebug.
Yeah.
So this is actually a favorite of mine. So I have my drugstore plus
Farmer's market.
yeah. This is atomizer. So I'm using Gucci bamboo if you're wondering. So I put it inside so that I could spray anywhere.
So you're using also Gucci bamboo.
Oh.
Marlena.
Yeah, so yeah, I think that's it.
Pocket.
In the pocket, I have my business cards. Yeah, don't call the number. Yeah. The email.
It's Marian Cabrera. What's that?
Breath spray.
Ah, okay. For emergency purposes.
Yeah, because you don't know when you're gonna kiss somebody. So I think
So that's all.
That's it. So thank you for watching this vlog. I hope that you find my eggs interesting. And I have all the creams that you might need going out.
Yeah.
Hand cream, sanitizer, sunblock,
Everything.
mosquito spray. You always have to be prepared for everything. So thank you and bye.
Keep safe, everyone.